There once was a man who was deeply hurt by his friend. His friend had betrayed his trust and spread false rumors about him. The man was so angry and hurt that he wanted to seek revenge. But then he remembered the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, peace be upon him. He realized that seeking revenge would only make him more angry and bitter. It would not solve the problem. So he decided to forgive his friend instead. He prayed to Allah to help him forgive and to guide his friend back to the right path. The man's friend was eventually remorseful for his actions. He came to apologize to the man, and they were able to reconcile. The man was grateful that he had chosen to forgive his friend instead of seeking revenge. When we feel hurt, it is easy to want to retaliate with anger and hatred. But this is not the Islamic way. The Islamic way is to forgive those who have wronged us. This may be difficult, but it is the best way to heal and move on. Forgiveness is not about condoning the wrong that has been done to us. It is about letting go of the anger and resentment that we carry in our hearts. Forgiveness is for our own sake, not for the sake of the person who has wronged us. When we forgive, we are freeing ourselves from the negative emotions that are holding us back. We are making space for love, happiness, and peace to enter our lives. So the next time you feel hurt, remember the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, peace be upon him, and his teachings on forgiveness. Choose to forgive those who have wronged you, and you will find peace and healing.